So what do you think God wants you to do for you as you are in service to other people?
I think he wants me to, and I might not say this eloquent, this is raw. I think he wants me to believe what I say, actually be who I want to actually be. I'm work in progress
That's
still.
important.
So I think that if he wants me to be some type of empowerment symbol, he wants me to know that I have to go through this process knowing that I have to trust him.
That's
People
really good.
think that empowerment means you're in control. It's not.
Absolutely.
It is being so not in control.
Yep.
It's the opposite. And
It's being in surrender.
It's being in surrender.
There you go. Absolutely.
And I'm not comfortable in surrender. I'm never comfortable in surrender. And I think that that's what my eye is on. That's where my growth will come from. He won't give me anything more than I can handle. And leaning on that type of mentality is what is going to eventually make me into that symbol. And it's a process. Not daily, like momentarily throughout the day, moment by moment process. So I think that's really what he wants me to know. He wants to whisper in my ear, you know, what you display or what you give to others or what you feel or all that passion. Sometimes, guess what, Ladora? That's really you.
Yeah.
In moments, I don't feel that way.
Yes.
And it literally is really you because you're exuding that.
Yes. Yeah.
I mean, you
It's
can't
God
give what you
working
don't
through
have.
you as well. It's God literally doing what he's put in you through you. Imposter syndrome is real, and I don't care what area you're in, right? And we deal with that on a often basis, that imposter syndrome, you know, and it's so that you, maybe it's put there for a reason. You know, maybe it is so that you can check to make sure.
Absolutely.
Are you really equipped?
Am I really equipped? Am I absolutely?
Do you trust yourself
and
to be who you say
you are? And also work to make sure that there's no real slipping. Like it checks me. Like you said, it checks me. But just like this theme is getting through pain, pain is also a lot of the things that are driven in this as well. So because you have pain, because you have passion, because you are not in control of things that you are usually a person who has to have control, it's really, really a lot of different moving parts going on at that same time, because the buck stops with you, but does it, right? And then you have to kind of, you know, be able to maneuver. And then that comes through faith. That comes from knowing that this is not about me. But it is, because imposter syndrome is also involved in something like that. And I think that's really what it is. It is, I want you to know that what you are doing and the things that you are doing, sometimes you're weak with it, sometimes you're strong with it, sometimes you're back and forth with it. It really still, it's you.
Yeah, beautiful, again, beautiful what you both are sharing. And I've been reading this book right here, Neville Goddard. It's this book is called Manifesting Miracles. And Neville Goddard, a lot of people know him and a lot of people don't. I mean, he passed away decades ago. And I've been listening to him on YouTube, and he was talking about, you know, how we hear you know, in the Bible and elsewhere, I am that I am.
Right.
And that I am, he talks about I am is God. And, you know, that's God inside of us. You know, when if we say I am, like we're really testifying, that like I am sad, or like we're speaking to something. So what you're exuding, the joy and the generosity that you exude is who you are. That is the God inside of you. That is who you are. Because if you were some, it applies to all of us. If we were some, hateful person, then we would be exuding that. That would be a part of our words and our,
Yes.
So you're exuding who you are, what's inside you.
Yeah. Yeah. Good point.
Yeah. So it's, it is.
That's I feel like that's a way of holding a mirror up to ourselves, and if all of us could kind of at some point hold that mirror up and think about that. What do we exude? Really, what do we spew? What do we that and know that that's a reflection of what's in here and who we are, and then would we do some things differently?
Yeah.
If we didn't like what we saw.
Yeah. I